How to replace the motherboard. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, audio board, and fan. Removal. Disconnect the sensor cable from the connector on the motherboard. Peel back the mylar that covers the wireless LAN antenna connectors. Caution! Use care when disconnecting the wireless LAN antenna cables from the wireless LAN module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade notebook performance. Carefully disconnect the wireless LAN antenna cables from the wireless LAN module by grasping the connectors with a small pair of needle-nose pliers or tweezers. Disconnect the right speaker cable from the connector on the motherboard. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the pass-through ZIF connector and disconnect the pass-through ribbon cable from the motherboard. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the keyboard backlight ZIF connector and disconnect the keyboard backlight ribbon cable from the motherboard. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the USB board ZIF connector and disconnect the USB board ribbon cable from the motherboard. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from the connector on the motherboard. Remove the three 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the motherboard to the top cover. Carefully lift the front edge of the motherboard off of the alignment pins and slide it out from under the rear edge of the top cover. Remove the motherboard. Note: before installing a new motherboard, remove the M.2 solid-state drive and heatsink from the old motherboard and install them onto the new motherboard. Reverse this procedure to install the motherboard.